Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, I got a dessert right here for you guys today. This is something I never made before, but I've been seeing it on my TikTok, so I said I'm gonna give it a try, see how it comes out, but I put a little twist to it. So we're gonna jump into this video and I'm gonna show you exactly how I get this cherry cheesecake dump done. Alrighty guys, so here's my ingredients for my dump cake that I'm gonna be doing here today. I got me a Betty Crocker super moist yellow cake mix right here. You guys know I'm the box cake king. And I got me 2 packs of Philadelphia cream cheese and 2 cans of cherry filling. Now the recipe calls for strawberry filling, but I do not like the canned strawberry filling, well at least the brand that I had, so I decided to just do cherry. And I'm going to be using a couple egg and some vanilla extract and a little sugar also, and 1 stick of melted unsalted butter. But I'll have the full recipe in the description of the video for you guys. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get this thing rolling right here. I went on ahead and got my ingredients inside of my bowl, which is 2 eggs, 2 8-ounce blocks of the cream cheese, and these are at room temperature guys, and I got a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Now I'm doubling the recipe for the filling, otherwise you would just use an 8-ounce block of cream cheese, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1 egg. And then I got ahead of myself and just started mixing and didn't realize that I needed to have the thing on the camera so you guys could see. But all I'm doing is just whisking that together. Eggs and cream cheese, vanilla extract. And you just want to whisk it until it gets nice and smooth like this. You can use your hand mixer if you want, but I just always grab my little trusty dusty mixer right here, or whisk. Then inside of this pan I got a melted stick of unsalted butter, somewhat melted. And then all I'm going to do with this is I'm going to dump my cake mix in here. Now most people put the cherry filling down first, then the cream cheese, and dump the cake over the top, cake mix over the top. But I just think that just makes an absolutely horrible looking product in the end, and people eat with their eyes. So I decided I'm going to put my cake down first, then I'm going to come in and put my cream cheese filling down on the top. You just want to drop it over the top like that, spoon it over the top, however you want to do it. And then once we get it down, I'm going to come in and just smooth it out. It spreads much more easily than I've seen people trying to spread that cream cheese over that strawberry filling, and it just looks a mess. Looks like someone vomited. Just to be quite honest, guys, I shouldn't be saying that, but that's the way it looks. It just looks horrible. So I was like, no, I'm not gonna do that. So once we get it smooth out just like this, it's ready to go in the oven uncovered, 350 for 30 minutes, and we're just gonna let that cook until our cream cheese and everything is set. And don't burn it like I did. It came out of the oven like this. I tried to cover it with a foil so it didn't get, you know, any brownness on it, and ended up sticking the foil to it. But good thing about it, our cherry filling is going on the top, so no one will see and no one will know. So we let that cool down completely, guys. You want to let it cool completely before you put that cherry filling on the top. And once it cooled down completely for me at room temperature, I just went on ahead and opened my 2 cans of cherry and spread it out on the top. And then I put it in the refrigerator for about a good hour or so. Let it get nice and chill for me. And then I cut it out, plated it up, took my thumbnails and videos, and I'm going to give this a taste test for you guys. Nice good cherry cream cheese dump cake. Alright guys, coming in with a quick taste test here. I got my upside down cherry cheesecake dump, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna give this thing a little taste. I had it in the refrigerator, getting nice and cold because I want mine to be nice and cold. That, you guys can see that. That's cherry cheesecake. All right, we'll give that a taste test here. That's good. I was worried about if that cake mix was gonna actually cook and not still be powdery, but it definitely cooked. Nice cheese, cream cheese filling. Just a little sugar in it. Look at that. Oh, that's good. I'm about to tear this up, guys. I'm gonna tear it up. Oh boy, that's good. One more bite. One more bite. Alrighty, guys. So this thing was absolutely wonderful. I sat there and I devoured that entire piece. But that thing is also rich, guys. So you don't want to eat too much of this. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And please subscribe to the channel if you are new. And you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Twitch TV, and Pinterest, Cooking and Chilling with Kenny. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget the hashtag, guys. Take your burdens to the Lord and leave it there. Peace.